Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is David and today I wanted to give you a quick little video telling you about a challenge that is going to be up in a few hours. You have about 10 hours left to take advantage of the thing I'm going to tell you about. So to kick off the year, Kajabi released a new challenge called Idea to Income. And this is something I've told my subscribers about and the people in my own personal networks, and I wanted to make sure that the audience on YouTube had a chance to take advantage of this before it disappears. So for a limited time, you can go ahead and click the link that's in the description below and you'll be taken to this page. And this page kind of explains what the whole challenge is about. And I'm just going to highlight a few of the key points. So first of all, normally when you sign up for Kajabi, you can use a 14-day free trial to see if the system works for you. During this challenge, you will get a 45-day trial. So triple as long to see if it's a good fit for what you're going to build, for the course you want to launch, for the business you want to build in 2021. Next, if we go ahead and scroll down, you'll find more information. Again, I'm not going to read it to you all, but here it highlights that you are going to get access to a course that's going to walk you through how to use their system, how to go literally from just an idea in your head to a product that you can launch, that you do launch, and then that you can turn into real income by the end of the 45-day trial. So that's the whole goal with this program, is that they want you to actually make money before you have to pay for their system so that you can see what's possible and if there's actually an audience for what you want to build. One thing I don't think they explain as clearly on this page as they did to the partner meetings and so on is that you actually get some pretty cool access to some of the experts behind Kajabi. So for example, during this program, you're going to have a few separate live webinars with experts. A few of them might be listed here. The list that we were given wasn't complete, so we'll see who's actually in those. But you're going to get access to some experts, plus you're going to have at least one-on-one call with a customer service manager. Now these are individuals who actually work for Kajabi, and because they're behind the scenes and get to see how so many different businesses use their platform and succeed with it, they have a really good macro idea of what works in this space. So I've had the opportunity to talk with one in the past, and honestly, it was very helpful. It really helped me kind of adjust my offerings so that they aligned with what they saw was working, and yeah, it was a very valuable meeting. And so the fact that they're giving it away for free during this trial is kind of a big win for anyone who takes advantage of it. Alright, so I'll let you go ahead and go to this page, see if it learn more about what the whole Kajabi challenge actually consists of, and then take advantage of it before the timer runs out. So thank you again. I'm hoping to bring you more videos in the coming weeks, just working on getting my rhythm down for 2021. Alright, thanks, and I'll talk to you later.